Start with formal salutation.
Yes, sir.
You may start with, formal salutation as you make entry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. My name is
Good
Priyanka.
morning.
Yes, sir. My name is
Good
Priyanka.
morning. Okay. Priyanka, please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Priyanka Sharma. I am from Meerut. I have done masters from Maharshi Vivekanand Bharati University, Meerut, and B.Ed from Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. I have been working as a guest teacher in Delhi for last 6 years.
Okay. You have been working in Delhi schools for last 6 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it means you have got good experience of teaching.
Yes, sir.
So, how do you find the profession of teaching?
Yes, sir.
How do
Pardon?
you find the profession of teaching? Is it
Sir,
good or it is full of difficulties?
no, sir. I find it's very good because first of all, I would like to mention that my hobby is teaching. From starting, I wanted to be a teacher, and they are in the company of my student. I feel very happy when they ask me question. So I feel very happy at that time.
Have you ever faced a situation in the class that that any student asked a question and you had no answer? Had you ever faced this kind of situation?
Yeah, sir. Sometime.
And then what you did?
Yes, sir. I said at the time I said that tomorrow I will tell you the answer.
Okay, you
Yes.
told him that you will, you know, give him answer tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that's very good. And what about literature? What is literature? What is literature?
What is literature? Sorry, sir.
You don't know what is literature?
Sir, particular definition is
हाँ
I don't know.
No, it means
ओके
you have been teaching, both
चल गई
literature and grammar. So there must be some
जगह ठीक ठाक है बिल्डिंग
utilitarian
में
existence of literature.
कौन सी सीट है
And what is that? How
हाँ
does
तुम्हारी
it
पसंदीदा सीट
influence the
तो साइड हो
society?
उसमें हो क्या फर्क पड़ता है थोड़ी चौड़ी होगी बस इतना ही अंतर है नहीं थोड़ी
Sorry.
चौड़ी होती है वाली
Okay, no problem.
नहीं
Uh,
पर्दा
have
वर्दा पहले लगा
you
रहता था अब तो पर्दा
studied
भी नहीं लगता है
any book of Shakespeare, William Shakespeare?
Yes, sir. Hamlet. I have studied in masters.
And you have not studied any of William Shakespeare's poem, sonnets?
No, sir.
Okay. People say that Hamlet thinks too much
Yes, sir.
and does nothing.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How do you see it?
Yeah, sir. Actually, the we can say the hamersha is this of the Hamlet is this that he thinks too much and he does nothing. Indecisiveness and pending in action is the weak point of Hamlet.
Weak point of Hamlet. And the word hamersia, you mentioned the word hamersia. Is it English word or some or related to some other language?
Yeah, it is
Hamersia.
used. Sir, I think it is used by Aristotle in when he gave the definition of when he gave the uh, proper lecture on tragedy.
Okay. It means you want to say that Aristotle gave lectures on the idea of tragedy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nidhi sir, please.
Yes, Priyanka, if I'm not wrong, Santosh sir asked you the root, origin of the word Himalaya.
Hamartia.
He hasn't asked who has used or coined that term.
Okay, sir.
So, do you know to which language that word belongs? Is it English word?
No, sir, it is not. I think it is not English.
I think. Okay, what is the meaning of Himalaya?
The weak point of a hero is called Hamartia.
The weak point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is plot according to Aristotle?
No, sir, at this time I don't.
What is the soul of tragedy?
Yeah, plot. Soul of tragedy is plot.
Why?
Sorry, sir.
Are you familiar with Fethick's pyramid plot structure?
Yes, sir.
Pyramid plot structure. Pyramid. Do you know pyramid? Okay, you
No, sir.
don't have idea. Okay, what is a side?
Aside is a speech spoken by a character in a play aloud, and and suppose that someone the other character is not listening.
Okay, to whom it is meant for?
It is meant to give his in his inner thoughts to if he wanted to convey his thought to the audience.
What's the difference between soliloquy and aside?
Soliloquy is a long speech, and it is not it is also not supposed to hear by other characters of the play. And in soliloquy, the character also
Okay, can you differentiate between miracle and morality play?
yes, a morality play were those that were influenced by the Bible history, and morality play were based on the life of saints.
Okay. What is theater of absurd? Have you read Samuel Beckett, Waiting for
No,
Godot?
No, sir.
Okay, how will you explain G.B. Shaw's plays? What type of play he wrote?
Yeah, he wrote problem plays. Mainly, he wrote problem plays.
Any other dramatist you can group with G.B. Shaw, who also
Yeah,
wrote problem play?
Galsworthy also wrote problem play.
Example?
Justice. He wrote Justice.
Okay, Ravi sir?
जी Okay, Priyanka, good evening.
Good evening.
Tell me about what is the difference between a few, and the few?
Okay, sir. First of all, I would like to tell that few is used with the countable noun,
Okay.
and it is opposite to many.
Mm-hmm.
And a few, and the few.
Mm-hmm.
Few is used when something is there, but it's not like नथिंग, मतलब ये बिल्कुल ना के बराबर ही होता है. नेगेटिव सेंस, इन नेगेटिव सेंस वी यूज few, and a few is the thing is little in quantity, but the sense is positive, and the few is the thing is mentioned before, then we call it, then we use the few.
Okay, not bad, good, fine. Okay, tell me which grammar book you use frequently.
Sir, SP Bakshi, I use SP Bakshi.
What is the name of the book?
Objective. SP Bakshi Objective English.
Okay, tell me some features of the book. What are the good features in that book?
Yeah, good feature. Actually, objective type of questions are a number of objective type of questions is there, because as I was preparing for this type of competitive exam, so I find it very useful for me.
Okay, how would you help your students strengthen their vocab?
Sir, firstly, I would like to tell them that they should start to read two to three newspaper headings.
Okay,
They should start from there, and then they should increase the reading practice. Yes. And they
Okay.
should take the dictionary while reading the newspaper or any other type of English book. It will increase their vocab.
Okay, what about understanding words with their roots and affixes? Do you have any idea about this, that we can understand a word with its formation, word formation, using word formation for vocab? Do you have any idea about this?
No, sir.
Okay, do you know the meaning of the word affix? AFFIX, affix.
No, sir.
Okay, prefix and suffix.
Prefix and suffix I have here.
Okay, fine. So what do prefix and suffix do?
We make a new word by adding some other word in starting called prefix, and if we add something in the end of the word, it called, to make a new word is called suffix.
Okay, what is collective noun?
Collective noun is a group of thing, or we can say person, spoken as a whole, is called collective noun.
For example,
As we say the group of student, we call it class. A group of militants called army.
all right. So I'm just going to speak a sentence and tell me what is incorrect, what is grammatically incorrect in this sentence.
Yes,
When you will call me, I will
Yes,
receive
sir.
the
When
call.
you will call me,
When you will call me, I will receive the call.
I will receive the call.
What is the grammatical mistake in this sentence?
Yeah, so grammatical mistake is this, that in both the clauses we should not use the future tense,
Why?
because in subordinate clause we use when you call me, present indefinite tense, and in second जो ये clause है इसमें sir will ही use होगा. This is the error.
Okay, fine. So what is subordinate clause?
Subordinate clause is that clause, the group of subordinate clause is that which do not make a complete sense, or we can say which is depend on another clause to complete their meaning, to complete its meaning.
Okay, good. Fine. So, how is subordinate clause related to, or how is a clause related to a finite verb? What is
Finite verb.
Yeah. How is a clause related to a finite verb?
Sir, I don't understand the question.
What is the relationship between a clause and a finite verb?
A clause and a finite verb. Yes, sir. In a clause there should be one subject and one finite clause.
Finite clause or finite verb?
Sorry, a finite verb.
Okay, so if I say go, is it a complete sentence?
Yeah, sir, because you is hidden here in this sentence.
Okay, you is hidden here in this sentence.
Yes, sir. It is.
Okay.
I think it is principal clause.
It is principal clause. Okay, so go is what kind of verb?
Yes, sir.
Go is what type of verb?
In this sentence, yes, sir, finite verb.
Okay. Okay, there's a definition that says noun is the name of person, place or thing.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so
Yes,
noun is the name of a person, place or thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So which names do not come under under the category noun? Are there some names that do not come under this category?
Sir, I don't think you, because everything is noun which has some name.
No, but why do we say person, place or thing? We can say noun is a name.
Yes, sir.
We can say noun is a name. Why do we say noun is a name of person, place or thing?
Because, sir, everything which has a name is called, we can say that noun.
So can we say noun is a name?
Yes, sir.
So the definition that we teach our students, that is not correct.
No, sir, it is also that the name of a person, place, thing.
Okay. All right. So how do you use listen, L-I-S-T-E-N, in a sentence? Make a sentence with the word listen, L-I-S-T-E-N.
Listen to me.
Okay, one more.
I want to listen music.
Repeat the sentence.
I want to listen music.
There's a grammatical mistake in this sentence.
Yeah, sir. Listen to music.
Okay, good. Very good. So, Priyanka, last question. If you
Yes.
get a class where you have boys and girls both studying in the same classroom, and you find a situation where students are not focusing on your teaching, rather than
Yes.
they are busy in talking to each other, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are giving your best and still they are not listening to you, right? How would you handle such a class?
Sir, I would ask some questions related to them, their interest. Like which place do you like most? So obviously they will give the answer. What do you want to be in future? So these type of question they will listen to me. After some time, I will start what I have to do in the class.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka. Good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.